Well, hello YouTube. Well, we're out here working on a challenging Challenger today, and I'm going to tell you what, I have never used a clay bar before in all my years, but I am solely impressed. I don't endorse products very often, but I'm using the Mother's clay bar kit. This car has some major overspray, tar, tree sap, whatever else you want to add to the list on it. And I just can't believe how good it's doing. This is a clay bar I've been using. This was actually a yellow one. But I just want to give you a quick example of what's going on here. You just spray it down with this spray, detail spray. And this right here is a bad area. I mean, it's probably the worst down this side of this door. Now, I've gotten it from here down, and it's smooth. And I'm going to move my phone close to the car, and hopefully you can hear as it starts to change sounds. It's kind of a gritty sound, so here goes. I'll be quiet. Okay, now listen. Smooth. That grit is gone. That panel right there is smooth. So I'm real happy with this. Have to finish up the rest of the car. But I think once we get this done, get the stripes on it, and get good wax and polish, maybe do a ceramic on it, this car is going to look great. Have a great day.